This is the Woodford 34HF-BR or brass vacuum breaker for the model S4H Woodford faucet. We'll go ahead and get it out of the packaging here. As you can see here, it should come with this rubber O-ring here at the bottom of the threads. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of it. We'll get a total length. And so it measures right at about 1.5 inches. And we'll get an outer and inner diameter of this end here, with an outer diameter of right at about 1 inch, with an inside diameter just over 1/2 inch. And we'll do an outer diameter here, which is about right at 3/4 inch. And once again, this is the Woodford 34HF brass vacuum breaker.